Mary was a poor woman, but she was a good mother. One day, she told her son a lie. It was dinner time, and there was only one piece of bread on the table. Her son Tom was very hungry, stared at the small piece of bread. Mary smiled. She gave the bread to Tom and said, "Eat, my son. I am not hungry." This was her first lie. She was actually very hungry, but she wanted Tom to eat. Mary worked very hard. She cleaned houses for rich people, scrubbing floors on her hands and knees. One evening, it was raining hard. Mary came home late, soaked to the bone and shivering with cold. Tom saw her and asked, "Mom, are you tired?" Mary smiled again, trying to hide her exhaustion. She said, "No, Tom, I am not tired." This was her second lie. She was completely exhausted, but she wanted Tom to feel safe and not worry. Winter came. It was snowing heavily, and their little house was freezing cold. Tom didn't have a warm jacket. He was shivering. "Mom, I am cold," he said, his teeth chattering. Mary immediately took off her own thick coat and wrapped it tightly around Tom. "Mom, are you cold?" he asked, looking up at her from inside the big coat. Mary shook her head. "No, my love, I am warm," she said. This was her third lie. She was freezing, but his warmth was all that mattered. Years passed. Tom grew up and became a successful man. He had a big house, plenty of food, and everything he could ever want. One day, he found an old photograph of his mother. As he looked at her smiling face, he remembered her lies. And in that moment, he finally understood the truth. She didn't lie because she was bad. She lied because she loved him more than anything in the world. A mother's love is the ultimate sacrifice. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone you love. Thanks for watching.